The most popular electric scissors on Amazon aren't always the best, especially when you're cutting thick cardboard or leather. A lot of them look identical, promise the same speed, but fail when it really counts. Today, I'm breaking down the real winners based on performance, not just sales numbers. Product number 1, RUCKERCO Cordless Cutter. First up is the RUCKERCO Cordless Electric Scissors, a solid entry-level option at around $25. What caught my eye was its dual rotary blades and built-in LED light, which actually helps when you're cutting in dim spaces like a garage or warehouse. Here's why this matters for you. If you're constantly unpacking boxes, doing DIY crafts, or working with fabric, this thing saves serious time and hand strain. The safety lock and non-slip grip reduce fatigue, and the USB charging means you're not tied to an outlet. With over 1,000 sold last month, it's clearly popular for light-duty tasks. Now, some people complained about the battery life not lasting as long as expected during heavy use. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for industrial work. If you're cutting a few boxes a day or doing weekend crafts, it's more than enough. But if you're running a packaging business, you might outgrow it fast. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-fuss electric scissor for home or light office use. Skip this one if you need all-day runtime or plan on cutting dense materials like thick rubber or layered leather regularly. For the price, it's a great starter tool. Product number 2, ZEITE Titanium Blade Scissors. Now, if the RUCKERCO felt a bit basic, the ZEITE 4V electric cutter steps it up with titanium-coated HSS blades, still at the same $25 price. That coating isn't just marketing, it means the blades stay sharper longer and resist wear, especially when cutting abrasive materials like carpet or recycled cardboard. That might not sound like much, but after 20 minutes of cutting fabric or boxes, your hand will thank you. It also has a built-in battery indicator and ETL certification, so you know it's been tested for safety. Plus, the blade guard adds another layer of protection, which is huge if you've got kids around. Some users mention the charging port feels a bit flimsy after repeated use. Here's the thing though, it charges via standard USB, so even if the port loosens over time, you can still power it up with any cable. It's not ideal, but not a deal breaker unless you're rough with your tools. This is perfect for you if you want better blade durability and comfort during longer cutting sessions. Skip this one if you need to cut materials thicker than 1/4 inch or want dual batteries for backup power. For crafters and recyclers, it's a smart upgrade. Product number 3, MOAOO Heavy Duty Cutter. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious users, the MOAOO Rechargeable Electric Scissors at $51. This one's pricier, but you get a 2000 mAh battery with up to 45 minutes of runtime and USB-C charging, which is faster and more reliable than micro USB. The real win here is the combination of power and safety. The 4V motor cuts through multiple layers smoothly, and the integrated LED light shines directly on your cutting line, perfect for precision work in low light. The safety lock and blade guard are well designed, and the ergonomic handle reduces wrist strain, which matters if you're doing repetitive cuts. Now, some people complained about the plastic handle feeling less durable than metal. Here's the thing though, it's lightweight and doesn't crack under normal use. If you're not dropping your tools daily, it holds up fine. But if you work in a rough environment, that's something to consider. This is perfect for you if you want longer battery life, faster charging, and better visibility while cutting. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional use. For small business owners or avid DIYers, the extra cost is justified. Product number 4, MXBAOHENG WBT1 Dual Battery. Now, if MOAOO's single battery wasn't enough, the MXBAOHENG WBT1 brings something rare, two 2200 mAh and IMH batteries and the ability to plug in while charging. That means you can keep cutting even while the battery refuels, which is a game changer for long projects. The tungsten steel blades handle multi-layer fabric, leather, and even rubber with clean, burr-free cuts. And with global voltage support 100V 240V, it's great if you travel or work internationally. Some users noted that NiMH batteries don't hold charge as long as lithium-ion over time. Here's the thing though, having a spare battery solves that. Swap it out, recharge the other, and you're back to work. It's a trade-off, but one that makes sense for continuous use. This is perfect for you if you need uninterrupted cutting and work with sensitive materials where noise matters. Skip this one if you want the latest lithium battery tech or prefer lighter tools. For tailors and craft professionals, it's a powerhouse. Product number 5. MXBAOHENG WBT1 Single Battery. Now, if the dual battery version was overkill, the MXBAOHENG WBT1 with one battery and blade offers the same core features at a lower cost. You still get the plug-in while charging function, low noise operation, and tungsten steel blades that slice through fabric, carpet, and leather cleanly. That precision makes it ideal for detailed crafts, upholstery, or even making masks. And at just 14.4 ounces, it's easy to handle for long periods. Some people wished it came with a second battery like the other model. Here's the thing though, if you're not doing marathon cutting sessions, one battery is plenty. And since you can plug it in, downtime isn't a big issue unless you're in a rush. This is perfect for you if you want professional-grade cutting without the extra battery cost. Skip this one if you need backup power for all-day use. For hobbyists and small-scale creators, it's a reliable, quiet workhorse. So which one should you get? The RUCKRCO is great for casual use, ZEITE offers better blades, MOAOO delivers longer runtime, and both MXBAOHENG models excel in noise and versatility. If you're serious about cutting, go with the dual battery WBT1. But for most people, the MOAOO strikes the best balance of power, safety, and value. Let me know which one you're grabbing, and if you've tried any of these, drop your experience below.